Alright YouTube, we're back with another video, and today we had just got a RC car and it's been snowing and icing outside. See, just got it. So we're gonna make a video today and just see how this thing rides, stuff like that. And we're gonna rig up a light on it and we're gonna go out to the court and we're gonna see how this. Alright guys, I'm fixing to get the court lights fired up real fast. We have a little light in here. Alright, so we're just going to give them a few minutes to get fired up and we'll be right back. Alright YouTube, we're back here. We got the lights fired up and we're going to do a little driving with this thing. Oh yeah. That ground is slick, dude. That's like you can cut the thing sideways. That's pretty neat right there. Donuts. Yeah. Get off in this stuff right over there. Over there. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go over to the other side of the court and check it out. Alright, we're back guys, and we got into a little bit of more slicker stuff, and we'll just see if we can get it to get a little slick and something like that. Oh yeah. That ground right there is slick. Them tires, they're squealing. Donuts. Okay, YouTube, we hope you enjoyed that video. Actually, my brother was driving the whole time, so if you enjoyed the driving part of it, you can thanks to my brother over there, because he was the one driving. And
leave it at the comments below.
Yeah, if you guys want to help me out, just comment below on what you think we should do next, or give me any type of hints, and I'll check the comments below and you know, pick some stuff out if you guys comment. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, because we'll be posting some more stuff like this, interesting and stuff like that. So yeah, well, just make sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys next video.